One of the most important aspects of designing product here at Drakong is the experience. We really want to invoke a feel from the player, and that feel being premium. Whether it comes to the ergonomics or the way buttons feel, the way every little detail is on that product is really targeted to that whole experience that we're trying to cater to. And with our motto, Play Evolved, it really brings it all together of us pushing the boundaries and innovating and evolving what a pro controller can be, or pro peripheral.
The team at Drakong are huge fans of Guitar Hero and Rock Band, and we decided that it was just time to make a new guitar peripheral. We know how iconic Fender is in both the guitar and rhythm game scene, so we were very excited to be able to partner with them and bring them back into the space. When we first started this partnership, we really wanted to bring a guitar that hasn't been seen before in the community, hence why it's the InfinaKore Telecaster edition.
Some of the really exciting features that we put into the InfinaKore are a Guitar Hero and Rock Band style fret neck. What that means is you have on the top frets the Guitar Hero style, bottom frets the Rock Band style.
And if you notice, there is a D-pad on our fretboard. The D-pad on a traditional controller acts as the strum bar for rhythm games. We found that putting the D-pad on the actual fretboard simulates fret tapping. The Rock Band and D-pad frets, as well as the star power button, can all be mapped and customized to how you like. You can also turn them off completely.
We also added in Hall effect strum, Hall effect stick, tactile strum, whammy bar that's ambidextrous. Toward the bottom of the guitar is a home button, system buttons, a hidden 3.5 aux port inside the strap mount, and a Type-C port on the back. So the most influential thing for us when making this guitar was the community. The community was always at heart and mind. When guitars were gone, they were gone for almost a decade. And the community is really what continued the scene and continued to make it thrive. We didn't want something that kind of takes away from that aspect. We wanted to almost encourage them to continue modding and continue making great things, and we feel like we did a really good job with all the possibilities of the InfinaKore.
We understand that 3D printing is a very strong practice within the guitar community, and we wanted the InfinaKore to be able to fit each need of the modders and of the different creatives in the space. The left and right side bodies can fully be removed, so you can 3D model your own body and make your own dream guitar by simply sliding in your designs into the InfinaKore's core. There are also notches on the strum bar as well, which allow for creating your own strum bar attachments, so you can play with stuff like a pick, or maybe play with the triangular shape instead of the curved shape. The tuner head itself is removable, so you can put your own design or tuner head on it. The actual Guitar Hero frets can be removed, and you can design your own frets and swap in your preferred switches. The head of the whammy bar can also be removed for any kind of small design you wanted to do. Prior to the launch of the InfinaKore, we'll be posting the template of the actual guitar online, so people can use that to make the guitar of their dreams. We highly encourage the community to make their own designs for the tuner head, bodies, whammy head, and strum bar, and to share it on social media, discussion boards, and 3D printing sites. And we really can't wait to see what you guys come up with.
One of the main things that I really wanted to do when I first started this guitar project with the rest of the team is really make a true ambidextrous guitar. Ever since I was a kid, there's always compromises that I have to make being left-handed. And so one of the main things when we first started this project was looking how we can make a guitar that is true ambidextrous, and we are proud that we came up with something that we hope the community is going to love. With a strategically placed whammy and reversible strum, as well as even being able to completely flip the colors of the buttons, it really opens up for left-handed players.
We are proud to be the world's first guitar built with accessibility in mind. Because of how modular the InfinaKore is, there are now different ways that the guitar can be modified so that people who couldn't play these rhythm games in the past now can. Some examples include removing the bodies and then replacing them with bodies that can easily clamp to a chair. You can also program the star power button to the strum bar, so now you can actuate the strum bar with the star power button. Because there are notches on the strum bar, people can place their own strum bar attachments on it, which makes gripping and strumming easier. We are also developing amps pattern mounts to further improve accessibility. So there's actually two versions of the InfinaKore guitar. Firstly, there's a licensed Xbox version. That works with Xbox Series S and X, Xbox One, PC, PC handhelds, smartphones, and smart TVs. We also have another multi-platform one that works for Nintendo Switch 1 and 2, PC, PC handhelds, smartphones, smart TVs, and other compatible devices. We have wired and wireless 2.4 dongle with both high polling rate and low latency, but you can also connect Bluetooth for casual play.
When I was a kid, one of my favorite things when I got my first guitar controller was taking the stickers out of the sticker sheet and individually putting them so I could make the guitar my own. We have a great in-house design team and we could have made the stickers ourselves. However, we wanted to give the opportunity to you fans to forever engrave some of your art into a mass-produced product. We are calling all creatives and artists to submit your best designs. The Drakong team will pick 10 and bundle it in every InfinaKore package. See more details on our site. We wanted to give a huge thanks to the Clone Hero team. Ryan Sherlane Foster, Matt Rafay Tantis, Augustine Baruti The Feeling, Dima Russian Bear 28, and Matt Seiton. Without your guys' help from the very start, well over a year and a half ago, none of this would have been possible. And a huge thank you to Sai and all the other influencers we are working with. We couldn't have done this without you. We wanted to give a huge thanks too to the community as well. Without you guys, this guitar wouldn't be possible.
Big thank you to Fender for collaborating with us and helping us revolutionize the rhythm game scene.